Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download a PowerPoint from Gamma AI, but please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. First off, just upload the file here in Gamma AI and then you just have to export it as a PDF. Now, once you got the file, open up any browser. So here you just have to type in I love PDF and then hit enter. Just click this first one and then wait for it to load. Now you just have to find PDF to PPT, and once you select this one, it will direct you to this page where you can select PDF file and just upload the file that you exported from Gamma AI. So here it is, and just click on open. Now it will start converting your PDF to PPT, and once that's done, just hit convert to PPTX. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.